Morning, kiddos. I just want to show you guys two updates that came out on Google Classroom that we are going to be utilizing pretty soon. I know many of you have noticed that we have a Meet link here. On Google Classroom, I will probably update and let you guys know when we will have a meeting. And then once we have a meeting and I tell you guys that, hey, this is what time and what date, you're going to just go ahead and click on that, and it's going to take you straight to the recording screen, and it'll tell you all who has joined. What I want you guys to do is go to the waffle. On the waffle, you have two new things on here. You have the chat and the meet. Okay, what I want you to do is go into the chat, and I have already created a room, and I have already added all of you guys. I think this could be a very beneficial way for us to speak to one another and for us to get any important information across and answer any questions that we could all have. So I really want you to go to your waffle, go to your chat, and please set this up and join the classroom so that we can all contact one another. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. I'm going to post this and send it to your parents as well. So please do this as soon as possible. Thank you. Love you guys, miss you, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.